So having a partner accreditation that works for partners and for the manufacturer is the starting point. And we launched ours in early part of 2017. Took a long time to do. We spent a long time building it. Fundamentally it's built on probably three core principles. So it's built on honesty, integrity and transparency. Nice words, but they mean a lot. And then underneath that you have some guiding principles. So sort of the ethos of the program, and that's really about making it easier for resellers to work with Promethean, making the experience of working with Promethean better, that's obviously key, and also rewarding the right behaviours, making sure partners are rewarded where they do the right things. And let me give you a couple of good examples. So we've just launched the Atlas Partner Gateway, and so that is a web optimised application that resellers can access from the office, on the road, wherever they are, and actually they can see all the key things that they need to interact with Promethean on. So that could be logging an opportunity, it could be finding a spec sheet, whatever they need to do. So it's a really neat example of trying to make it easier for partners to work with us. I think when you talk about rewarding the right behaviours, we're talking about saying, if you do the right things, we'll make sure we give you the right levels of support. So, we've worked really hard on thinking about how we bring that to the partners. And also, in terms of just making the experience of working with Promethean better and easier, we've built a very clearly tiered partner model. So you, as a reseller, you can plug in where you feel you sit. So if you're a partner who thinks they can do lots of business with us and bring us lots of opportunities, there's lots of scope for us to support you on that. And we've also really clearly defined the roles within our organisation. So we've really defined what the distributor does, what the reseller does, and what we do as a manufacturer. So there's no hidden surprises. We absolutely know, people know what they need to do. Yeah, so in terms of the active panel, we're onto the 2018 active panel, which you can see behind us here. And really it's an evolution of the product. So if we think back, we've been manufacturing panels for around about 5 years now, and their role has changed in those 5 years from being probably a peripheral in the classroom to being the connected hub. And so what we've really focused on is developing the experience of using the panel, but also we've acknowledged that different environments require different products really. So we've actually developed them this year, so that actually we've got 65-inch, 70-inch, 75-inch and 86-inch. So I think what you'll see going forward is we're happy with where we were and happy with where we're going to. So you'll see more evolution, less revolution, I think, on the product front.